So I've got a NavQ Plus that's connected via 2-wire Ethernet to the flight controller, and I'm using PX4 messages to relay the arming status pre-flight checks. So right now it's arming ready false. So I see that in QGC as well, and it's going to flip to true. And so I got this running as a service along with the micro XRCE DDS agent on the NavQ Plus, and the client's running on ground station as well. So you see I'm using the UDP transport, and vehicle status is just kind of like an easy thing to pull in. I know like probably one of the better ones we can probably use is battery status, and then have just like a percentage bar based off of remaining. But this is a good start. I don't see a lot of people messing with the OLEDs, and so I just thought I'd make a real quick project. So this is running, and then I also have H.264 video stream, GStreamer that's running as a service as well, and the NavQ has plenty of processing power. So this is just one of the many things I'd like to run, and that's all I got.